Samir ji, about the Congress Politics of Lies. This is a wonderful book. I must appreciate them. 2 points underline I will say. Under a welfare state, what roadmap do you take? What choice you take? I'll say one example is if you go build an ecosystem where you support, make provision for your corruption, or you create an ecosystem where benefits reach to the last people. In farmers loan waiver, if the government goes for a farm loan waiver which has already been given to the farmers, who will be benefited? Ultimately, the benefit of the loan waiver will go to the banks. What our Modi ji has chosen is to go for direct benefit transfers to the farmers. It is a much better way of providing welfare to the farmers from Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. Directly benefit is going to the farmers, and the state government has also added to the welfare of the farmers, and it is a better way where you do not create an ecosystem for your corrupt practices. This is one thing. And on GST also I would like to underline is, in GST, after the implementation of GST, the collection of GST at the center has increased manifold. It was at one point of time 60,000 crores a month. Now it has crossed on average 1,50,000 a month. That collection of GST is increasing from the center, and it is also increasing the collection to the state. The plugging of the leakages from tax collection system, ultimately the resource is going to the central government, and from that central government the portion is going to the state government. So the way increase in GST collection to the center, same way increase in the GST collection to the state. Our government under Modi ji and the state government are focusing to plug leakages, build an ecosystem of corruption-free mechanism where the resources come to the government without leakages, and at the same time in the welfare schemes they go to the beneficiaries directly for their welfare without any leakages. This I want to underline. Thank you.